How's she going, folks? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, and today I want to do a teardown of this TD-V26. Interesting little radio system, straight from Japan, or China, I should say. Get some English up here. Daily love always, only now, forever. There's something only love can do. This is a radio with all the little fixins. You can play some MP3s. Nice size speaker there. And I want to see what's on the inside. Gotta love all the cheap stuff you can get from China these days. Get it brought over with the coronavirus these days. Everything's super cheap. You just gotta wait 2 months to get it, right? That's how she goes. That's how she goes. Okay, so this is one of those things that are held in by clips. Got the big battery here, pressed right against the speaker. Got the antenna, connected by wire, of course. And the other side is kept in there by hot snot, it looks like. Oh, I can just push it out. Interesting. Interesting. Awesome. Let's see what's on the other side of this. That is very cool. I like these buttons. Everyone knows I'm a big fan of buttons. So it looks like they're just attached right there. A little piece of plastic. And then you get the physical buttons there. No modular little thingy-mahoozits. Alright, and that's it. Very simple to put together. Very nice. I like that. Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Like, subscribe if you like this stuff. Always appreciate it. And have a good one.